Hello guys, nandito na tayo sa LA Fitness. Ayan, samahan nyo kaming mag-gym guys. Ayan. Woo! Gym tayo ngayon guys. It's time to go to gym. Ayan, nandito tayo sa Maplewood. Kasama ko yung partner ko guys. Ayan, let's go! Ayan. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa LA Fitness Maplewood guys. So guys, I'm here na daw Maplewood Zumba guys. Ayan, at nandito na tayo guys. Iba na. LA Fitness pa din to, but iba guys. Ayan, let's go! So, ang dami kaya namin dito guys. Look at guys. So nice. Okay, see you Thursday. Okay. Woo. Filipina woman, char. So we are here in Maplewood, guys. In LA Fitness Gym. Yeah. So this is Maplewood, guys. So we are here at LA Fitness Maplewood. Yeah. Ayan guys, tapos na tayo doon guys. Thank you so much. So tapos na tayo doon sa Maplewood guys. So LA Fitness Gym Maplewood. Ayan, sama ko yung husband ko. Ayun guys, tapos na kami doon guys sa LA Fitness Gym here at Maplewood. Ayan, uwi na tayo guys. Let's go! Ayan guys, tapos na tayo dito sa LA Fitness Maplewood. Ayan, pauwi na tayo guys. Let's go! Ayan. So, sanggaling doon guys. Hindi talaga pero hindi kagaya nung sa saan ba yung, where is that the other LA Fitness, honey? That I used to? New Brighton, yeah. New Brighton, it's very big.
5209 Lincoln Street Northeast.
So, we're gonna go home, guys. So,
Here it is on the map.
we're done there. So, it's time to go home na, guys. So, yeah, this is Maplewood. Maplewood here in Minnesota, USA. So, as we're done there, so it's time to go home.